This is question number 5, problem set 6. Solving a system of equations. It's got an absolute value function in it, and it has a line. So we are going to start by substituting. Plug that in for y. Before we set up two equations, our absolute values need to be by themselves. So subtract 2 from both sides. And now we have the absolute values by themselves. So this is where we set up two different equations. We say that x could be equal to the other side, or x could be equal to the opposite of this side. I've got an equation that's got fractions in it. I would clear out my fractions. I'm going to multiply everything by 2. And solve. Same thing here. Clear out my fractions. Solve. Here we have an absolute value equation. Absolute value equations could have extraneous solutions, so it's possible that both of these are correct. It's possible one of them is correct, or it's possible neither one checks and it's no solution. So we check them by plugging our x's in to both equations. So the absolute value of 4 is 4 plus 2 gives me 6. And if I plug in 4 here, I get 1/2 of 4 is 2. So I have -2 plus 8. That is also 6. I got 6 both times. Y equals 6 is a solution. And then do -12. If I plug in -12 here, I get absolute value of -12 is 12 plus 2. That's 14. Negative times negative is positive. 1/2 of 12 is 6 plus 8 also gives me 14. They both check. So again, to check, you're plugging your x value into both equations to see if you get the same thing on both.